Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm going to show you guys how I make my cough syrup remedy for my kids. It's just two ingredients, which is lime and honey. That's it, lime and honey. So guys, this is what I've been making for my kids for, like, my son is 7 now, so I think around like when he was like 1 or 2. So this is what I've been making. Like back home when you have the cold, you like lick the lime, you just lick the lime and stuff like that. You cut the lime and just lick it. It kind of help it. So I just know that, when you have a cold, like, you use lime. So I don't know. I just been using this two ingredients for a very long time. My son is 7 now, and my daughter is 3. So this is what I've been making for both of them since she's turned like 1 year or something like that, or to the point where she can swallow stuff. So yeah, this is what I've been making for them. Like I said, it's two ingredients. I bought one lime, and then I bought a concentrated lime juice. When I went, the lime was like 54. From 33 it went to 54. So I'm like, no, I'm not buying 2, 3, 4 lime for like 54 cents. So I just bought one, and then with a concentrated one, just to show you guys that you can use both of them together. So yeah, you just cut the lime up, juice it out and stuff, and then add the honey on there, and then put in the microwave for like 30 seconds. And then once it, because the honey is very thick, once it melts, then you can just mix it. When you mix it, when it's too white, like almost like that kind of white, just know that it's too much lime, and then you need to put more honey. But once you mix it, once it turns like golden brown or whatever, light brown, then it should be okay. As for measurement, I don't know, but yes, this is how I just make mine. And I just serve it, and then make sure, like for me, I serve it warm. Every time giving it to them, I give it to them warm, because it helps too. Warmness. I don't like cold food, and my kids don't like cold food. Like when it was baby, I never served them like they tell you, like, give them like room temperature bottle. Nope. I want them to eat and sweat. So yeah, this is how I make my cough syrup for my kids. Buying the one over the counter is expensive and it's waste of money. So if you buy your honey, it's just one time thing, and you can use it 3, 4, 5 times, and then the lime is just maybe $1 you might spend to get lime juice or something like that. So yes guys, this two thing is really good. I take it myself. Like my doctor, I told her one time, like, my kids, like, they always got a cold sometime, and I told my doctor, I'm like, this is what I do, because the medicine over the counter, it don't really seem to work, and the more you give it to them, it don't work. So yes, this is all I do, guys, and this is how I help my kids to get better, because sometimes your kids are sick, have the cold. It's irritating to just keep coughing. You want to throw out your whole stomach and nothing help it, but once I give them this remedy, it like cut it off right away, like for the next 2 to 3 hours. Then once I see them coughing again, I give them more. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.